Data privacy champion ako. Of course, I establish a strong password for my account.
Data privacy champion ako. Of course, nag-uusal ako VPN.
Data privacy champion ako. Of course, mahal ako mag-save password manager ko.
Data privacy champion ako. Of course, I keep my files in folders and in my drawers. Sana all kinikip.
Quinchana, ting ning 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 ning.
Data privacy champion ako. Of course, gamit ako sa firewall, antivirus, and anti-malware software para sa computer ko.
Data privacy champion ako. Of course, dili na ko i-share ang personal information sa akong client.
Thank you for watching!